If you do this, then I'm pretty much sure that you can make her want you more and more. Hello everyone, welcoming all to Manifesting Dream ADC. In today's topic, we are going to discuss on how to make her want you more and more. This video is highly dedicated to all the men out there. So if you are someone new, please consider in liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel, as you all know that it just motivates me to put the new videos for you guys. If you are someone who has already subscribed and is a member of my family, please consider in liking, sharing and commenting to this video, and also don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Okay guys, so without wasting any time, let's dive in. You need not become that tall man to get attracted with. You need not become that handsome man that women fall in love with. All you need is just this particular thing in order to attract any woman out there. The step number one is nothing but you have to feel the complete faith. You have to trust, or you have to believe, or you have to have the complete confidence that yes, you are worthy for that woman. No matter how beautiful your woman is, it is not necessary that you need to have all the characteristic traits of a very handsome man. You worth her. Okay, just remember that I am the only one man who can handle my girlfriend, or who can handle my woman. Just imagine like that. Just have a belief that, just have the strength that yes, I am having that confidence that I am worthy for her. I know that you all might be thinking like this: she is not getting attracted towards me just because I'm not tall, just because I'm not rich. No, it's not like that. The number one thing that being a woman I can tell you is the women always get attracted with the emotion. How you treat her is more important. It's not about the money, it's not about your tall, it's not about how handsome you are. It's about all the feeling that you are giving her, all such emotions that you're going to give her. For example, how you're carrying her, how affectionate you are when she is unwell, then how you're protecting her. Women know they are always addicted with the emotions. Okay, so here is the step number one for you. That is, you need to have the complete faith that yes, I am worthy for that woman. I am worthy for my woman, or I am worthy for any woman to get attracted with me. Here comes our step number one. Now going to the step number two. The step number two is living in the end. By living in the end, you can make sure that you can get her more and more. How to live in the end, I will tell you. So here, when you and your girlfriend is having the tougher times, or when she is not interested in you, when she starts to give you the signal of that I am losing the interest on you, you don't need to check her phone, you don't need to ask her friends what's going on her life, nothing you need to ask. So now you can understand that anyways she is losing the interest in you, right? So what you need to do is you need to have a faith that yes, I can get the same woman, or I can get my old girlfriend back, old version of my girlfriend back. But how? By living in the end result. By living in the end result, you can definitely get her back. So now how you can live in the end result? When you had proposed her, you both will have some sort of feeling or some sort of emotions that you both were sharing with each other, right? So you know how she will be behaving towards you when she is too much in love with you or too much attracted towards you, what and all she will be doing when she is mostly into you, right? So you have to imagine in your mind that she is doing all the things that she was doing before right now in your imagination, and you have to act accordingly to it. In your mind you can think that now she is texting you all the time, she is asking you what you had, she is caring for you when you're unsick or unwell. So all those emotions that you can generate for her, when you are generating all those emotions into your mind, then automatically your vibration will definitely get stuck to it. This is how the law of attraction works. The law of attraction always works in the principle of like attracts like. If you believe in law of attraction, then 100% sure that you can definitely win over her. You can definitely make her want you more and more. This is quite easy by living in the end result. By living in the end result, you have to think when what she used to do when I'm unwell, what she used to do when you are happy, what she used to do to make you cheerful. All these emotions that you have to bring it on your mind. Then just go with your dream. Just go with your dream. About 10 to 15 minutes you can do this by living in the end result, and that makes you feel happy. This happy is what, as per the law of attraction, the happiness is the highest vibration. So when you are having that particular highest vibration in you, then definitely the universe will be forced to grant you, because our universe doesn't know the difference between what you have or what you want. If you are faking that you are already having it, then the universe will comes to know that yes, you are already having it and let me give that to you. Like this the universe will feel. So that's the reason why I am asking you to live in the end result. By living in the end result, you can definitely make your girlfriend to come back to you or to want you more and more. Now understood what is our step number 2? I hope that by doing the step number 2 itself, you are 100% it is possible that she will want you more and more. I'm 100% sure. Then comes our step number 3, which is the last step. What you need to do is you need to let go. You need to let go of all the fears that is popping around you. You need to think that yes, she is coming back to me. By practicing this letting go, you are not letting go of that person. You are letting go of that fear. That particular fear is there in your mind, no? Now she is losing interest. She is losing interest in me. What am I going to do now? How I will live without her? So all these negative emotions or the negative thoughts arises in your mind. By practicing this letting go, we are removing that fear from us. I have posted a detailed video on how to remove the negative energy, and you can get it in the I button which is in the top right corner. Okay guys, so let me come back to this video. By practicing this letting go, you can manifest anything that you want. Why? Because when we are practicing this letting go, we are completely forgetting of that person. We should completely forget that person. When you are able to completely forget that person for the 12 hours, then I am sure that within 5 or 6 days, she herself will be texting you a hi at least. Why? Because the universe works in the principle of like attracts like. When you are attracting love, you should be in the energy of love. When you're attracting happiness, you should be in the form of happiness. Then only you will be able to get whatever you are manifesting. That is the reason why I am asking you to forget that person. When you are forgetting that person, or when you are practicing this letting go, no more you are worried about what will be happening, whether she will call me or what will be the end result, whether it is whatever I'm practicing is happening or not. All these negative emotions will be coming in your mind, right? So that's the reason why I am asking you to forget that person and just involve in your daily things, what and all you that makes you feel happy. Whether if you are someone who want to go for a movie, go for a movie, hang out with your family, hang out with your friends, go if you're someone listen to music, just play the music. If you are someone who is loving some drama, just go and watch it. What do any things that can make you feel better and that can make you happier. I'm sure that when that positive vibration in you is increasing, no, then the universe will be granting you her. One day unexpectedly she will be texting you a hi even without your knowledge. That's the reason why I am asking you to practice this letting go. I'm sure that by practicing these three methods, you can definitely get your girlfriend back, or you can definitely get her want you more and more. Till then, take care, stay tuned, and bye bye.